Hi SuperEx users! Welcome to another SuperEx Guide series. Today we will explain how to participate in a SuperEx Initial Exchange Offering or IEO Launchpad. Follow these simple steps to join the upcoming IEO projects on our platform. Open the SuperEx app and navigate to the SuperStart button in the home page. Click on SuperStart to access the IEO page. Before joining an IEO, you'll need to either deposit or buy USDT or ET. You can either directly deposit USDT, or if you don't have access to crypto, you can exchange your fiat to USDT in our P2P platform. After getting enough USDT or ET, you are about to join the SuperEx IEO. On this page, you'll see the available IEO projects open for participation. Simply click on the project you want to participate in and carefully read the event rules. After reading all the details, click the subscribe button to join the SuperEx IEO. IEOs offer users with early investment opportunities, intuitive project display, and rigorous project screening. Joining a SuperEx IEO is easy with the SuperStart. By following these steps, you can take advantage of early investment opportunities, but remember to always do your own research before investing in any projects. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to learn more about SuperEx and cryptocurrencies.